Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel where we explore the enchanting world of Wicca and witchcraft together. Now today's video is a bit different than your average video. I'm introducing you to a new part of me, a symbol of change and transformation. That's right, yes, you see it right. Your Wiccan guide is sporting you a new look. I've decided to shave my head, but no, it's not some mystical ritual or tradition, although change can indeed be a powerful ritual in itself. I decided to shave my head simply because I was ready for something new. So just as we shed old beliefs and grow in our spiritual journey, I thought my outer self should reflect the constant transformation of the inner self. My hair, or now lack thereof, serves as a reminder that life is an endless cycle of growth and rebirth. And isn't that what Wicca and witchcraft teaches us? I mean, to embrace change, to harness the magic within ourselves, of the wheel of the year, so to speak. It's also a reminder to all of you. Our physical bodies are mere vessels for our radiant spirits. What matters is not our appearance, but the strength and kindness within our hearts and the magic we create within our intentions. Now, to those who are wondering, yes, it feels liberating, and no, it's not cold, at least not yet. As soon as the winter comes, I'll have a different story. But in all seriousness, remember, the best thing you can do for yourself is to be true to you. In the path of the witch, authenticity is paramount. You are your own sacred space. So in this short update, I want to encourage each and every one of you to don't fear change. Embrace it. Grow with it. You are the moon. You are the sun. You are the goddess. You are the god. You are a beautiful soul in the ever-turning wheel of life. And you, just like me, have the power to reinvent yourself at any time for any reason. Thank you for being with me on this journey. I can't wait to see where our path leads us next. Until next time, blessed be.